conservation of momentum. When two or more bodies come in contact with each other, or you can say collide with each other, then the total momentum remains constant unless and until no external force applied on it. When two bodies are collide with each other, then in that case one body will have to lose the momentum, and that the body which loses the momentum, that momentum will be gained by the another body. In this way, one body will lose the momentum and the second body will gain the momentum. In other words, you can say conservation of momentum is defined as momentum is neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can transform from one body to another body. Suppose two bodies are there. These are two bodies and they are coming towards each other. Suppose the initial mass of this body is m1 and this body is m2, and the initial velocity of both the object is u1 and u2 respectively. When they collides, then they repel to each other, and so let the final velocity will be v1 and v2. In this case, the initial momentum of the system will be m1 u1 plus m2 u2, and the final momentum will equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. This is always constant according to the law or conservation of momentum. You can also prove with the help of Newton's second law and Newton's third law of motion. We know that force is equal to m into a, mass of an object into acceleration of an object. Suppose we have to calculate the force exerted by the object 1 on the object 2, then we can calculate it very easily by the multiplication of the mass of body 2 into acceleration produced by in the body 2, and we can rewrite it like this. The force 1 that is exerted by the body first on the second body will be equal to m1, in bracket you can write v1 minus u1 upon t. Why v1 minus u1 upon t? Because we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity per unit time. And similarly, you can find out the force which is exerted by the second body on the first body. So now, you know that according to the third law of motion, each action there is equal and opposite reaction.